The Army Reserve's 99th Regional Support Command deployed its rifle team to the Memorial Day event held May 27th at New York City's Intrepid Sea, Air, and Space Museum.
For this mission, we started 2 months ago. We started fresh with a new team. Rehearsals twice a week and until the last week, which we rehearsed 3 days a week.
The soldiers comprising the 99th RSC Rifle Team travel from their headquarters at Joint Base McGuire-Dix Lakehurst, New Jersey, to provide a 3-volley rifle salute at the annual event.
We have one of the largest Memorial Day ceremonies here in the country, and it would not be the same without representation from active military, and the rifle team just adds something extra, something special.
The Intrepid's Memorial Day event honors service members from all conflicts and branches of service who paid the ultimate price in defense of their nation.
Here at the Intrepid, we honor our heroes. We try to honor our heroes every day, but really we cannot do enough to say thank you.
The soldiers who volunteered to be part of the 99th RSC Rifle Team also said thank you by participating in the Intrepid's Memorial Day event.
It's an honor to do something like this, not only for my fallen comrade, but to show the nation that we're here for them.
For the 99th Regional Support Command, this is Staff Sergeant Sean Morris reporting.